Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My Pakistani brothers, Pakistan has brought from IMF again. We are demanding from Pakistanis IMF that you don't give a single rupees to Pakistan, because the Pakistani government, those people have come to the power who are all criminal cases and all are on the bail. So we appeal to IMF that you don't give a single rupees to Pakistan. Then IMF, you impose condition and tax on the poor people of Pakistan. These people are in government, all their properties are out of Pakistan. These people, yes, it does not pay tax, never does not calculate money. We all Pakistani IMF request that you will be very kind, that you do not give a single rupees to Pakistanis. Wassalam.